Farming is hard work, it always has been. But these days, there's a new kind of horsepower on the farm. Technology is changing the way we grow food, and it's happening fast. We're talking tractors that drive themselves, drones that scout for pests, and sensors that tell you exactly how much water your crops need. It's pretty amazing stuff. This isn't about replacing farmers, it's about giving them the tools they need to work smarter, not harder. These technologies are boosting efficiency, saving resources like water and fertilizer, and increasing yields. That means we can grow more food on the same amount of land, which is crucial as the global population continues to climb. And let's be honest, the world needs more farmers willing to get their hands dirty, but it also needs farmers who embrace technology. One of the most exciting advancements in agriculture is precision farming. Imagine knowing exactly what each plant needs to thrive, the right amount of water, fertilizer, even sunlight. That's what precision farming aims to do. Farmers use GPS-guided tractors and sensors to collect data about the soil and crops. This data helps them create detailed maps of their fields, showing variations in soil quality, moisture levels, and nutrient content. With this information, farmers can tailor their approach to each specific area. They can apply fertilizer only where it's needed, irrigate more efficiently, and even plant seeds at the optimal depth. This targeted approach minimizes waste, saves money, and reduces the environmental impact of farming. Remember when we talked about farmers becoming high-tech? Well, it doesn't get much cooler than drones and satellites. These tools are like giving farmers a bird's-eye view of their fields, and they're changing the game. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can fly over fields, capturing images that reveal a wealth of information. Farmers can use these images to identify stressed crops, spot disease outbreaks early on, and even assess irrigation needs. Satellites offer an even broader perspective, providing data on weather patterns, soil moisture levels, and even crop yields. This information helps farmers make informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and harvesting, optimizing their operations for maximum efficiency and productivity. Section 4. The rise of the machines, automation on the farm. Labor shortages are a real challenge in agriculture. It's hard work and young people aren't exactly lining up to drive tractors. But technology is stepping in to help fill the gap. Automated machinery like robotic harvesters and self-driving tractors are becoming increasingly common on farms. These machines can work tirelessly, day and night, without the need for breaks or sleep. This reduces the need for manual labor, which is especially helpful in tasks that are physically demanding or repetitive. And let's be honest, nobody loves picking strawberries in the hot sun all day long. Automation frees up farmers to focus on other important aspects of their operations like planning, marketing, and ensuring the quality of their products. Section 5. Smart farm sensors and the Internet of Things. Have you heard of the Internet of Things? It's about connecting everyday devices to the internet, and now it's happening on farms too. Sensors placed in the field can monitor everything from soil moisture to temperature to even the ripeness of fruit. This data is sent wirelessly to the farmer's computer or smartphone, giving them real-time insights into their crop's needs. Farmers can use this information to make timely decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. For example, a sensor might detect that the soil moisture level in a certain area is getting low. The farmer receives an alert on their phone and can remotely activate the irrigation system to water just that specific area. This level of precision saves water, reduces costs, and ensures that crops get exactly what they need when they need it. Section 6. Feeding the Future. Challenges and Opportunities. Technology has the potential to revolutionize agriculture, making it more efficient, sustainable, and productive. We can grow more food, use less resources, and maybe even make life a little easier for farmers, but there are challenges too. One of the biggest is accessibility. Not all farmers can afford these technologies. We need to find ways to make them more affordable and accessible to small-scale farmers, especially in developing countries. Education is key too. Farmers need training to learn how to use these technologies effectively. This is where governments, universities, and private companies can play a role. We need to invest in research and development to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in agricultural technology. We need to close the digital divide in agriculture and make sure everyone benefits from these advancements. The future of food depends on it.